Hi everyone. Oh, it's been a day today. We just had an earthquake here of a magnitude of 5.7. No, wow, it was crazy. The house shaking, and up here I had some figurines, and one was like lighter. This figurine just fell to the ground, and this just fell to the ground. It's light. The thing that came off that shelf back there, and this is heavier, flew across the room and was in the middle of the floor as I walked into the living room. Just crazy just to think about all of this. And it was just power went out. We were worrying about what about the water pipes. Salt Lake City Airport, the pipes did break there. There was water gushing down. And my husband's work, they have a lot of structural damage and damage inside that they're fixing. At having a pandemic at this time, and with this, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. And my heart just pump, 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 pump. But anyway, you take care, everyone, and be safe. Bye.